Your fifth order customer isn't just a repeat buyer anymore. They're ready for a dedicated account manager. Ask Sidekick to build a flow that starts when an order is created, checks for exactly 5 orders, and emails your sales team. Sidekick finds the order created trigger, the order count condition, and drafts the internal email action. The workflow is ready. Preview it, then open it in Shopify Flow before you turn it on. It starts with order created. No extra trigger setup is required. The condition checks that the customer number of orders equals 5. The internal email includes the customer name, email, total spend, order count, and a clear note to assign an account manager. Replace the placeholder sales address if needed, then turn the workflow on. When that 5th order lands, sales gets the alert with spend history and next steps. Open the customer profile, review the milestone, and assign the right account manager. Assignment is done while the relationship is hot, before a competitor steps in.